Musekera nyuma.
Oversize mudu nene.
Kampala Annual Laughters Party Lujinika twambala bitusinga bunene. Dr. Tiamale mudu nene versus Virgin Girls from Miami mu byobufuzi. Senga Justin Nantume, Rebecca Jingo, Jennifer Full Figure, Laila Kalanzika Chapizo. Nga 4 October kusikitala Bonita Jangumu over bigaye ebisinga okusasa mu Kampala featuring Aziza Zion ne Kabako bikuwe over comedy mu Musekera nyuma oversize challenge mudu nene okuyinga shinsa M5 VIP ate wasigadde M3 bookinga ticket yo kusikitala Bonita lelo nga biwagidwa Comment Store Uganda, Chicken Express ku Shell Capital, Kayanja Tires, City Master Traffic Hub, SS Hotel ne Makerere, Luba Property Consultants, Umkat School of Journalism na All of Technologies, Friends of God's Garments, Baby SLFI ne yafe ne
Radio Simba.